1, 2, 3, let's go!
Hey, Pink.
In yellow, polka dot army.
Army. So today's our first video, and it's gonna be like a speed thingy. So,
Yeah, so it's gonna be a role play, and we're really excited. And yeah, let's get right into it.
cool. Okay, honey. So I just woke up, and I'm gonna go get Annie to go to the beach. It's raining soon. Morning. It's time for the beach.
Yay, the beach! The beach.
Okay, honey. So, let's just pick you up. Let's put you down right here. Okay, I'm gonna go get the swimsuit.
Okay.
Alright, I'm back now. That's it,
Thank
honey.
you. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, good. Now you stay here while I go get mine.
Okay, I'm gonna get my toy.
I'm coming. Okay, honey.
Is it time to go?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
So, we need to go eat breakfast.
Okay.
So, we need a good meal.
Okay.
And I'm gonna go make breakfast. Okay, honey. Here's some bread with bananas on it.
Thank you.
There.
Okay, Mommy, I'm done. Can we leave now? Yay!
Okay, come on, honey. Here, let me pick you up.
Okay, we're gonna go in the car. It looks like we're there at the beach. Early in the morning. Wait, didn't you say you hired a little boat for us?
Oh, yes, I did.
Okay.
Let's go. First, you want to swim in the pool? And in the...
Sure, and then we can suntan, the stuff that you like. Okay, well, looks like we're here. We can go swimming. Hold on, I gotta get my pool floaties on. Do you want to put them on me? Okay. Okay, got my floaty on.
Okay, honey, let's go.
Are we going to the mini boat first or swimming first?
Oh, we're gonna go on a little boat first.
Okay, and then can we go swimming?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're on this boat right here.
Okay.
You sit in the passenger seat. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
honey, go swim.
Okay. Luckily, I know how to swim with my floaty. I'm getting tired of swimming. Mommy, I'm getting tired of swimming. Should we go home? I'm kind of tired.
Sure.
Okay.
I think.
In yellow, polka dot army. So that is the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye. Bye.